Welcome to our step-by-step guide on integrating CustomGPT into your Zencart site. Step 1. Find your sitemap. You can locate this by going to the first page of your documentation and then appending /sitemap.xml to the URL. Step 2. Create a CustomGPT agent. Sign into your CustomGPT app and start a new project. Create project. Add your sitemap and name it. Click on Create Project. Step 3. Copy embed code. Once your project is ready, navigate to the project settings. Click on Sharing. Click on Embed Code and copy the code. You can easily paste this code into your website settings. Curious about how it looks? Let's ask CustomGPT some questions and see how it responds. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. See you next time.